There's no question about this. Omanyi Kato yangamba ebintu ebimu nga ndowooza olumu asaaga. Kato yangamba there is a talent. Omwana ono yino mulaba. Ne ngamba kati nze ngenda kulaba. I mean, she is amazing. Top of the range, top class. Bonna, the actors and actresses who were part of this play, they were amazing. The story flows. It has anticlimaxes and downs and the stagnation, quite captivating, interacting the stage players and the audience, giving you a touch of feel, long as it is because it's in the theater, like what I said, getting classic theater back to the people and the people back to the theater. Zubedah and your team, you have made it. I don't know. Actually, millions satunze zenasasula nabawantono. You deserve much more. Nkubiriza bana Uganda, please. Mwena we muli. Mwekwate bulungi mujje mulabe omuzanyo gw'omwana. Ntakyetaaga gulanga. Mujje mulabe politics ali maka. Gonna nga bwe gali. Mujje mulabe how men can be confused to abandon their children just for, I mean, Zubedah is a masterpiece. Integration of business, amaka, abachala. Zubedah, you're super. You're super. I have no words to define you, but this is a masterpiece. Uganda has got it. Zubedah ne team nabali mu performing arts, like Kato was saying, temwetaagako muntu mulala yenna. If you acted this in Swahili, it would sell in the entire East Africa. If you did it in English and you got characters and you pieced them together, it is everywhere. What you've acted is the true masterpiece of what is going on in Uganda. So, mwebale nnyo mwebalire ddala. You've lived up to our expectations. It's amazing, amazing. Nkubiriza abantu mwenna nti mugulabe, you won't regret. I've been here. Zubedah yagukeepinga nga gwa Chama. It was extremely amazing. Everything she can do. Katikankulage. Some of you might not realize. Atayagala ne bwatajja na mu theater. If she puts it in form of digital content mu movie, it will sell better than anything. With subtitles and piece up characters abasobola okuzannya Oluswahili ne baguzannya mu Kiswahili, this will flow in the entire East Africa. This happens in Rwanda, this happens in Burundi, it happens in Kenya, it happens in Tanzania, everywhere. Act this with subtitles. Fetwalaba Jumongo, filimu ya Jumongo abagimanyi ng'eri mu Lukorea naye neetunyumira. Kakati what of this? She's an amazing talent. So ebisobola okubongerwamu ng'abantu is sound movement, how they have to use ebintu byonna, integration, okuleeta theater bagize mbantu mutwala omuzannyo mu guno mbaana, take it to different areas. Nkubiriza abantu bonna. I wish you could tap into all classes. Ez'ababaka ba parliament, ez'abantu kimwenna gye muli guys. Zubedah yalina hit.
Batuvuddeko ku muzannyo wano eno. Mukwano gwo Segenya ali mu mbeera ki? Bamubisa ebbanga weeks 2 bamubika buli lunaku naye walotedde mubika.
Ekisooka ntuusa okusaasira kwange eri Segirinnya olw'embeera gy'ayitamu naye nsaba Allah amusuuse. Ebyo ebigambo byange byokka. I have nothing much. Kuba kati wali yeetaaga saala zaffe. There's nothing more we can do. I don't think it's worth it talking about kikyaliko kyekigenda mu maaso. You can go and consult anti bagamba mugende ku kibiina kye bajja kubabuulira.
Honorable Bakataleke, watugamba mulundi guli omuzannyo gwa ceasefire wagulaba n'ogwekkaanya bulungi. Tugamba tukole wemu obudde ogutegeera.
This is better. Yeah, this is better. Quite better. It is. I mean, ceasefire was good. It was about 60-70%. This is 99%. It's 99%. No doubt. Any sane person chinachiraba. I mean, quality is quality. You know me for that. I'll tell you anything right as it is. If ceasefire was about 60 to 90, yes, you can say it had a better stage, you can better choreographing. This is a masterpiece, a no class. pure class. Actors and actresses never libali balungi. It was long. Naye gwe wano waliwo avuddewo nga tategedde. Yeah, exactly. Buli omu avuddewo ategedde. That's the role of this. Si kuleeta ze tuyita abstracts. Ekintu tosobola kukitegeera, buli omu tasobola kukitegeera. I mean, this is a masterpiece. Zubedah, grazie.